Hello, I'm George Malem, the Managing Editor of IoT Now magazine, and I'd like to invite you to our next webinar. The topic is Delivering Scale for IoT Connectivity, and the event will be held on the 28th of June at 4 p.m. British Summer Time. We'll examine how to solve the growth challenges for smart and connected devices. I think we're at a really interesting stage of the IoT industry's development, where the market is starting to move beyond pilot and trial projects and into the mass market. This targeting of the mass market presents a series of challenges. Trial platforms weren't necessarily dimensioned to have thousands or tens of thousands or even hundreds of thousands of users, and therefore there's a need for platforms and connectivity to scale up to support the mass market need. I'm delighted to be joined by three key participants for the webinar. These include Mohsen Mohseninia, the Vice President of Market Development from Aeris, and his colleague Evan Whitelock, a Product Manager also at Aeris. They'll be joined by Robin Duke-Woolley, an analyst and the Chief Executive of Beecham Research. Robin is a long-term participant in IoT Now webinars and is an absolute expert in M2M and IoT, having covered those markets for many years, and I'm sure his participation will both entertain and inform you. The key topics that the panelists will address in the webinar include planning for scale. They'll look to define the issues and the upgrade capabilities that are required to address the challenge of scale. They'll also look at how to manage the ecosystem in what remains a fragmented and largely unstandardized marketplace. That lack of standardization will continue for many years, and therefore we need to look at highly scalable solutions that can be rolled out in a cost-effective way and provide the efficiencies that organizations need. We'll also be looking at how to reduce time to market. That's really important. If a trial project or a pilot service takes off and hits a mass market industry requirement, the need to scale up fast is important. We can't wait 6 months, 3 months or a year to be able to serve tens of thousands of users. So that's one of the key issues, is when you hit something hot, how can you scale up fast? I do hope you'll be able to spare the time to come and join the webinar. There'll be a chance to ask questions live to our great panelists. So please join us on the 28th of June 2017 at 1600 British Summer Time. I do hope you'll be able to join. Thank you and goodbye.